Meet my new friend, Alpha.
Wow!
Meet Alpha 1S, the interactive, programmable robot for every family.
What can he do? He can tell stories.
Cool.
Connect Alpha 1S to your iOS and Android devices with Bluetooth, and he can tell you a story.
The wizard changed the king into an ugly frog and cast him into the spooky swamp.
The 3D visual software makes them easy to program for beginners
Got it.
and advanced users.
Yeah, sure.
Like this?
Use the RPP function to record,
Start position number 2.
position, and play back your Alpha's movements.
All right, do a push-up.
Which program are we doing, guys?
Let's try push-ups.
All right, let's do it.
Plus, you can upload your programs and download unlimited actions from the Alpha Actions
All right,
library.
you guys ready? Okay, get down. Keep your back straight like Alpha. Nice work, Brayden. Nice. You guys programmed this?
His energy-efficient, high-torque robotic servos mean Alpha 1S can keep going, even after you get tired.
Come on, you can do it. You want to try Kung Fu? Nice. A little higher.
Oh no, I'm gonna rip my pants. Oh.
Are you ready to get wrecked?
The easy-to-use app and finger-friendly design make Alpha 1S a safe and fun companion.
Da, 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 and da, da, da. Punch!
16 robotic servos give Alpha 1S the flexibility to really put on a show. Alpha 1S, the fun family robot.